Hi everyone, myself Dinesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering from SNS College of Technology, and this is the part 2 video of economic of solar energy utilization. So in our previous video we have seen the overall mind mapping and the empathy part of this economic of solar energy. So let's recall that. So this is what the mind map. It consists of four things, main elements like capital cost, life cycle cost, payback period, and then which followed by O&M cost. Okay. So the empathy part, we know that what financial factor influence people to adopt solar energy. Okay, that's the main thing we have to focus. So here, design thinking stage. First, we have to focus on the capital cost, O&M cost, and life cycle and payback period, which we have already seen in the previous mind map. Okay. So here, ideate. Okay, when it's come to the ideate, moving beyond simple payback to measure true project uh, profitability. Okay, so here we are calculating the net present value, internal rate and return, and benefit cost ratio. Okay, so which factor do you think we measure solar project profitability? Okay, so this is what we have to focus on in order for the value of money. So this is the prototype scenario. Okay, so in this prototype scenario, uh, test the terms with a solar installation. Okay, it's a practically a small experiment. Okay, year 0 the investment and the capital cost is, for example, let's take it as 2 lakhs. So year 9 to 20 the profit, okay, the overall lifetime, okay, the lifetime cost, the system life 20 years, for example, the positive cash flow begins. Okay, so at the year of 1 to 8 we come into the stage of payback period, which is 8 year. Okay, so the annual savings is, for example, let's say the annual saving of our system is 25,000 per year. So when we calculate it, it will take 8 years in order to achieve the overall capital cost, which is 2 lakhs. Okay, so this is the map which we have to understand it thoroughly. At the investment we are investing 2 lakhs. In order for us to get the 2 lakhs back, per annual saving, let's consider it as 2500. So it will take 8 years for us to take that investment. Okay, after that 9 to 20 is what the lifetime of the solar. That means that's what we call it as a positive cash. Okay, that means it's our profit. Okay, so after that the economic viability, for example, it's 12 percentage is favorable. Okay, so this map show the overall prototype scenario of an economic based solar utilization. So so this is the test. Okay, by evaluating whether the solar investment meet economic goals. Okay, for example, we have here two systems. Okay, let's name it as A and B. The payback period 10 years, another one is 6 years. The life cycle cost is 50,000. Here it's 1,50,000. Then the NPV is 20,000. Here 1,50,000. That means the IIR is 15% for system A and 10% for system B. Okay, so in a short payback, always better. Okay, always choose for short payback period. Okay, or shall we consider long term gain? Okay, so system B pays back faster, but system A provides better long term return. Okay, that's the overall tabular column of this. Okay, uh, thank you guys. I think you have understood the economic of solar utilization. Thank you.